everyone, I'm back. Welcome to my channel, and for today I'm so happy because I get to stay home. My date got canceled, but it's fine. I get to film and upload and edit more videos for you. So for today, I really don't want to put any makeup, but as you can see, my face, raw and unedited, is like this. So much dark circle, uneven skin tone. But I got 2 packages today, and the other one I'm so excited to open because it's the first time I ordered something from Lazada, and it's the 5D rhinestone art. I'm a little scared because the first one I got was from an actual store and it was in a box. But this package did not come in a box. And on top of that, this one costs 80% cheaper than the one I got from the store. So, oh my god, I'm so excited. I can't wait. Let's just open the package. But before that, let me show you my shirt. It's a skull that has studs on it. Not rhinestones because they're not sparkly, but for the show, I wore this shirt. There's the package. I have my scissors. And let's open it. Already cut it, but let's peek inside together, shall we? I'm scared. And yet another flat package. Oh no, I'm not feeling any rhinestones. Oh, damn! I cut it again, so let's peek inside together again, shall we? Oh! Oh my god, I think it's good. Wait. Make sure that the package you receive is complete. So for 5D rhinestone art, you'll be needing the following. First of all is, of course, the pattern. This is where you'll be sticking on the rhinestones. The tray, where you can put the rhinestones in the meantime. The soft wax. The rhinestone picker, as I call it. And of course, the rhinestones. These are all in Chinese, I think, foreign characters. But don't fret, don't worry, because what is important are those written here. D, F, 4, and then the color. And then this one, the rhinestone color guide. Okay? Aside from that, you need to check if the rhinestones do have numbers assigned to them. For example, this is 1. It's a yellow rhinestone. Okay, let's look at the legend. Here, there's number 1. That's the sticker. And then this is 1. So it means that number 1, where is number 1 here? There. So that is where you put these rhinestones. Before you start putting on any rhinestones, make sure that you understand the rhinestone guide properly. Because the first time I did this, I made a boo-boo. Because I thought that the numbers written on the rhinestones are the ones corresponding to the numbers or letters here. But it's not. You need to refer to this chart first. Okay? It was a terrible experience because I already put a lot of rhinestones and I had to take them out one by one. So don't make the same mistake I did. So let's move forward and start with this. For this project, you may want to work on a flat surface or table. Decide where you want to start. Look at the number or letter, and then refer to the color guide. Once you know the number, get the rhinestone and put some on the tray. The rhinestones are half orbs, so make sure that the rounded side is up. That's why I sometimes shake it up a bit. The soft wax helps the rhinestones stick to the picker. So it's important to refill this every so often. So now you're ready to pick up some rhinestones. And press firmly on the glued portion where that letter or number is shown. It's that easy. Look! My first rhinestone. I like working from left to right, top to bottom, so that I won't miss anything and that I won't have to lean on the rhinestones that are already on the page. That's just my personal preference because I'm right-handed. The only reason I don't get to do this like for hours straight because it gives me a stiff neck. There, look, so pretty. Did you really think I was gonna finish it today? Of course not. Are you nuts? The last one I did took me about a month. A month to finish, though that was bigger and fuller. While this one has some blank spaces. The white parts are just white. You don't need to put any rhinestones on it. But don't worry because I will put this in one of my weekly updates when I'm done with it. Okay? So, I'll see you again soon. Bye!